Vlaams Supercomputer Center, VSC, supplies high-performance computing to academia and industry. Projects such as artificial intelligence research and development have a heavily fluctuating need for computing power. Those needs can be met cost-effectively because the shared infrastructure starts solving someone else's problem the moment it's done with yours. Researchers at Flanders Make are using this infrastructure to train AI models at the heart of industrial innovation. For example, we have developed a modern industrial assembly tracking and feedback system. This tool provides operators with interactive digital instructions via AI models that automatically identify the placement of different assembly parts. Each part is paired to an AI model trained by synthetic renderings of the piece under different highly variable conditions. In this example, the assembly contains 7 parts, yet the tool can scale up for more complex assemblies involving far more pieces. After the training data has been rendered, we need to decide whether to train our models on our training station or on VSC HPC nodes. Prosumer-grade hardware is most suitable for development or simple training. When training at scale, VSC's high-performance computing nodes reduce time to deployment. The time it takes to train the AI model depends on the complexity of its geometry and position in the assembly. When training a single model, the cluster is on average 1.6 times faster to reach the same loss objective. Yet, whereas the Flanders Make training station can simultaneously train only 3 models, VSC hardware capabilities allow us to train all part models in parallel, reducing the training for this 7-part assembly from 720 minutes at best to just 160. Accounting for data transfer time, the deployment of the AI assembly tracking solution for this 7-part assembly takes 740 minutes using prosumer resources, and as few as 230 minutes using HPC. In other words, we can obtain the exact same solution 3 times faster. The more parts an assembly contains, the more this efficiency scales up. The additive manufacturing process represents a second practical use case for VSC infrastructure. Here, we use high-speed imaging and AI to spot any defects in a 3D printer, melting metal powder into solid steel objects layer by layer. VSC accelerates the hyperparameter optimization of the AI models. Deep learning architecture involves the setting of numerous hyperparameters in which the slightest change can influence performance. Hyperparameter optimization entails training the model multiple times with a different set of hyperparameters. This would take far too long if performed on traditional hardware, which can usually only handle one training model at a time. VSC infrastructure allows us to simultaneously train multiple models and significantly speed up the process. Thanks to this technique, we could reduce the error of our laser parameter prediction network by a factor of 3. These are just 2 examples of how VSC delivers a highly effective solution for training AI models at scale.